Hi, my name is Tony. Let's make some birdhouses. Days are getting shorter, it's freezing out there, and the holiday season is almost there. Let's help the birds survive winter and at the same time prepare some gifts for my family. Three of the most common birds in my backyard are the great tit, the blue tit, and the common sparrow. The main difference in their birdhouses is the size of the hole that they use to enter it. The rest of the dimensions are the same for all of the birdhouses. I'll be using two boards, one slightly more narrow than the other. Then I'll cut at a 45-degree angle to form the front and the back. I'll make two additional cuts to make the rooftop, and then out of the board that's slightly more narrow, I will be making the bottom part of the birdhouse and the two sides. This is the untreated pine wood that I'm going to use. I use untreated wood. It's probably a bit less durable, but because it's not treated, the chemicals won't hurt the birds. So this will be the front, this will be the back, and this will be one side of the roof. And this will be the other side of the roof. This is the bottom, this is the left, and this is the right side. Alright, all the wood has been marked for cutting. Because I'm using a jigsaw, I am going to use a piece of straight wood as a cutting guide. Let's start cutting. Everything has been cut. Let's clean up the edges. Now I have all these stacks of wood here. I'm going to cut the holes for the birds to enter the houses, and I'm aiming for a great tit and the blue tit. Now it's time to glue everything together. I will also use some stainless steel nails and some stainless steel screws. The bottom of the house will not be glued to the rest of the house because there needs to be a way of opening them up so that you can clean out last year's nest. Alright, let's get to gluing, not screwing. With a problem area right here. It seems like I wasn't very precise when cutting the wood, so I need to think about how to get rid of this. I think I will just use the jigsaw and run it very close to the edge just to cut this off. As you can see with this one, the hole is on the wrong side, so the roof is not extending on this side. It is, however, extending on this side. I'm going to fix that by drilling another hole on this side, because in the end this side will be closed because I'm making some attachments. Alright, all these 4 houses are finished now. The only thing left for me to do is wait until the glue has dried. Then I will use some sanding paper to clean off the excess dried glue. And after that I will use this tool. I had this 3D printed. It's a branding iron, so my family actually can see that I made it myself. To finish it all off, I will attach these fixtures to the back of the birdhouses so that I'm able to hang them on a wall or a tree or a fence. The color will give a nice contrast to the final product. After spending multiple evenings in my workshop, I created 3 birdhouses and 1 nest box. Out of all, I like this one the best. I made many mistakes with the first 3 ones and learned a lot from that. That's why this last one just looks awesome. I know for a fact my family will be very happy when they receive these homemade gifts, and the birds will be super excited when they move into their new homes to survive winter. If you liked this video, and I sure hope you did, you know what to do. For now, I'd like to say bye bye.